Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have a kid's bike. This is electronic bike for kids, and then we have two wheels at the back, so this is like a three-wheeler, and then here one in the front, so it's a three-wheeler electric bike for kids. And this is foot accelerator there, and if you read the warnings, it is not suitable for kids who are less than 3 years, so it's mentioned there, and everything is right here. Now on top there's a switch, so when you have to decide, like, you want to stop, it's in the center, then it's forward. If you switch the forward button, then it will move forward. So this, you will see the headlight, and then if you press the foot accelerator, it will go in front. Yeah, it's moving forward. And the same thing with the back switch. So this is how it is. Nice color, impressive, right? And the kids are really gonna enjoy. Thank you for watching.